Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to design an esport logo on the Mockitup application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the logo option next to the t-shirt button at the upper side of the screen, and in the featured section you can find the esport logo button, and just select the template and new you can edit. If you want to add text to your project, just click to the first option, the text, at the lower left corner of the screen, writing your text, and if you finish, just click to the done button. In the font section, you can select another font type, and if you want to change the color of your text, just click to the color section and select a color. In the shadow section, you can set shadows to your project. If you want to add pictures, just click to the graphic option, and here you can find different symbols, or go to the photo option, and here you can select photo from your device. If you want to draw on your project, click to the doodle button, select the color, and you can draw. If you go to the brush button, here you can find different object, and just click one, for example the stars, and you can add stars to your project. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.